Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Khalil and today we're going to be unboxing a new lens. It is a Sigma 16mm f1.4. Alright, let's get right into the unboxing. So I ordered this lens from KEH. It's a website where you can buy camera gear brand new and used. And I bought this lens used. This lens cost me $300. I paid $300 and it was weird. It's like as soon as you left, he could tell you left. Little shpapa, shpapa. Can you come say hi?
Say hi?
Knox, yeah. This is my son. This is my little baby. Say hi, Papa. Welcome to YouTube. Love you. Alright. Thank you, babe. I chose one that was in excellent condition. Super stoked about this lens. I've wanted this lens for 3 years. Back when I used to have a Sony a6000, this was a lens that I wanted. I had the Sigma 30mm 1.4, but it was just too tight and I wasn't able to vlog with it. So it did great for the music video shoots I did. It was basically like a 50mm because it's a APS-C sensor. So it's a 1.6 crop. But anyways, yeah, I really wanted this lens. And then lately, I've been vlogging on my Canon EOS M50. So for my M50, I have a Canon EFM 11-22 lens right now. It does the job because it's really wide at 11, but the problem I have is the lowest aperture it can be is at 4.0, and that doesn't really help with background separation. And also in situations like this, right now I'm shooting at a 1/50th shutter speed, aperture of 4.0, and my ISO is at 640. My goal is to have my ISO as low as possible because, as you know, ISO introduces noise and we don't want that. So now that we got the lens unboxed, let's go ahead and check it out. Got the lens cap. I pretty much know how this lens works because I had the 30mm, but there's really not much. Yeah, super clean. These would be my first impressions because obviously, like I said, I bought this used. No scratches, no scuffs. It's a little bit of white. You can probably see it right there. A little bit of white in between the lines on the focus ring, but that really doesn't bother me. So I'm super stoked. Let's get this lens on the M50 and see how much better it looks. All right. So as you can see, we were at 11mm, but now we're at 16. We're zoomed in a little bit more. So what I'm gonna do is just take a little scoot back, you know. I'm also still at f4. So let's go ahead and lower the aperture down to 1.4. And then let's take our ISO from 640 and let's take it down to 200. I'm sure the image is a lot cleaner, a lot more crisp, and then we should have more separation between the background and the camera. I feel like it's super sharp though, it looks amazing. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. This was just a quick unboxing video of my new Sigma 16mm 1.4. I look forward to using this for vlogs. I will post a video of my overall impressions within the next week. Just give me some time. I'll just take some videos of my kids running around the house or take them out to the park. Like I said, just get some clips and see how much better this lens is. In that video, I might do a couple of shots comparing the difference so you guys can see side by side. Yeah, I'm actually really pleased with this lens. I'm stoked that I have it. I can't wait to use it. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you enjoyed this, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, be sure to subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.